Alrighty, yo. So this is the first time I'm looking at the charts today. I haven't looked at them at all, so I don't really have a bias or anything. I did draw this gap earlier, but that was about it. So here's what I'm seeing right now. Right now we're above these, all these low resist, this like stack of low resistance or high resistance liquidity highs here. Um, so we swept these out. We did end up breaking 1 hour structure here, so we are bullish on the 1 hour time frame. Um, This left us with forming an hourly gap here. We also have another one right here. We got 2 hourly gaps there. The 4 hours looking. Positive. Broke back down here. Then we broke again. Bullish. Swept, and we broke back down to the downside. Kind of just consolidated, but we are bullish on the 4 hour. Right now we're also bullish. We're about to break past this 4 hour high. That candle closes till 9. Let's see. We're in 45 minute. We're in a gap. We're in a 30 minute gap. We're in a 15 minute as well. That's what I'm seeing right now. 5 minutes in bearish, but just retracing on the 15 minute, 30 minute, 45 minute. Okay. So right now, for now, I'm thinking longs. I'm gonna want to wait. Honestly, I don't really mind too much. It's in this hourly or in this 15 minute, 30 minute, and 45 minute gap. What I want to do is I want to wait until we tap into this these hourlies, here. So we're bullish order flow. We broke structure here. Um, and then I can. So then I want to retrace into down here, into this range. I think we're in hourly equilibrium as well. Yeah, we are. I would like to see some sort of retracement down to these gaps, and then I can take longs out of here up to these newly formed hourly highs. Um, it's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Because here we're sweeping them out, but in Q we're literally at all time highs. We already broke, and we broke past these set of highs here. So I would like to see that at least come down here, maybe into this gap. Same thing on NQ, maybe this first gap, and then just I can target these newly formed hourly highs, just to give me a draw. If not, I'm gonna end up taking like a 1-to-1 regardless. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. All the time frames are bullish at the moment, so we're getting a good reaction out of this 15 minute and gap and stuff though. This 30 minute gap, 45 minute gap as well. Getting good reaction out of it. So see what happens, but that's kind of my bias right now. Just because we have these gaps here, I'm bullish. If we inverse these, then I'm looking to take shorts. But yeah. Yeah, I'll be back once market opens. Alright, so market just opened. So we get here. Alright. So you can see hourly, there's the gap. Right now we're not getting nothing on ES, but NQ is pushing into this, so that's awesome. Alright, so now we're just gonna be looking for some sort of reaction out of these gaps. As long as we hold this 15-minute, like I said, we're in those hourlies right now. So if we get reaction here, I'm okay with taking a trade to the upside. It's kind of the trade idea I'm thinking there. We're gonna hold on. I'm looking to see if we can form this gap here on ES, and then because it's a higher time frame type deal, I'm okay with entering off a 5-minute inverse of that gap or hitting a 5-minute break. Just because yesterday I was looking at a couple trades from this week, and there are trades that, like, if I could have entered off just because they were higher time frame, like 15-30 minute gaps, I could have entered a 5-minute break, and um, my trades would have been okay. So it's going to be one contract plus activities. Got 2 minutes for this candle to close. Got 1 minute on this candle close. Not even like 30 seconds, but Alright, we're testing this gap right now. If we burst it on ES and we break here on Nimki, I'll enter this trade. Right now it's just reacting off his 5 minute. You know, we're still in this hourly right now, so I'm still waiting to see some sort of reaction out of here. All I'm looking for is a little break past this thing right here, and then we are golden. Got Ember's Gap and middle break, and we are absolutely golden. Still got 5 minutes on this candle, though. Just gotta keep being patient here. Oh. Alright. Minute versus 15 minute. Okay. That tells us something at least. Because in 15-minute close in 5 minutes, if we inverse it, I'm okay. I'm gonna be more okay with looking for shorter Tinos. 30-minute does as well. So if this inverses, then like you got the 30-minute, the 15-minute changing over. So I'll be looking for shorts. I'm willing to do that. We're getting a 5-minute break. I got the 5-minute break. Okay. So it's 9 o'clock. It is. And Nasdaq's a little higher. US is already inversing this gap, so that's what would be huge for us here. So this 9 o'clock is going to tell us a little bit here. So good patience, but yeah, look, if you see this 30 minutes about to get inversed right here. This is a low right here, so be 30-minute. This gap is invalidated. Same thing here on the 15-minute. We're about to inverse this 15-minute. Let's see though. And like I said, we're sweeping out this liquidity, so it makes sense as well. 4 hours is bullish because we were breaking at the time. We were breaking time on the 4 hour. We did break on the 1 hour, but if these gaps don't hold, then that's not valid, especially if these 15-minute and 30-minute get inversed. So just gonna keep waiting here. Wait till 9 o'clock and then go from there. So that's what I'm thinking right now. 15-minute, 5-minute get inversed. And we'll pull back right now. So we can enter shorts off of this break here. Something like this. Let's see how far back the pullback goes. 2 minutes. Do you need this 15-minute though to get inverse for me to be comfortable doing that? So just a candle closure. Okay. See, we already hit equilibrium, so this is fine. Got 1 more minute here. Okay. Something like this here. Break structure, equilibrium. This 15-minute right now is not going to inverse though, so that's what I want to be careful about. Also, I think I'm still okay with taking these shorts here. This just be a retracement, right? Where it broke. We're expecting this gap on ES too, so there's that. Yeah, I think I'd be willing to still take this short regardless. Because we're already respecting this 5-minute, which was already a break and then continuation. So yeah, if we inverse this gap here, I'll enter shorts here. Oh shit. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? Why is it doing that? time. Turn the same range again, try and turn. Okay, so that time it stayed. Alright, well, that's fine. Alrighty, that's the trade setup for right now. First one's full TP, second one is the 1-to-1. I don't know what we're thinking right now. So although we didn't inverse this 15 and 30 minute, which we're about to inverse right now, I still felt pretty confident going into it just because the way the hourly is kind of looking and the 4-hour as well. This 4-hour closed, it's looking really good off the 4-hour as well. But on top of that, we already held this 5-minute gap, which was already our retracement because we broke here. So I was kind of just looking for it to break again. It broke again and then it retraced and then pushing lower right now. And this 15-minute looks like it might get inverse right now as well after this candle closes, 30-minute as well. So I was just looking bearish overall. Or was starting to look bearish. But yeah, but the fact that it held this 5-minute and broke again gave me pretty good confidence to go shorts again. We'll see if this continues to the downside. I think it will, just because the way the 4 hours looking, it swept really hard, and this was a good this was a clean sweep, and also these are a lot of high resistance stacked up together here. So looking to at least push down to here. How many do we have open? 5. Please, there's a 15-minute gap right here. Alrighty. Well, that's that. Alrighty, that's it for today. I think this trade's still gonna hit. Yeah, I think this trade's still gonna hit, but we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, that's it for today. Oh yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today. Go ahead and call it a day for today. Yeah, we're gonna try to come into next week. Forget this week. This week was it's kind of rough week. I can't lie. We had a lot of good trades. Like, let me pull this over. These 2 days here specifically. More like this day specific was like pretty annoying because this is when we got edged on our TP and then hit our stop loss. Same thing with this, like we knew where price was going and everything, just wrong entry and then got stop seed and then we'll proceed to hit our full take profit. So yeah, so next week Monday, honestly, just looking to reset, come in, mentally feeling good and yeah, but for this week, that's it. Oh yeah, the fund that I had. Probably not gonna be trading it anymore until like CPI, see if I can recover it. But yeah, for now that's it, and see you guys next week.